The teams in this hackathon have shown great skill in controlling a battery to earn the most money, but a battery alone is not sufficient to achieve carbon net zero. What's needed is to go inside the house to optimize other devices too. To that end, this is Hackla's 5 ways to green your home. Number 1, electrify everything. Solar energy is a no-brainer. It immediately cuts household energy costs by about half. If more household appliances cut over to electricity, then there's a greater opportunity to use renewable resources and to reduce our carbon footprint. This is not a new concept. There's a local movement called Rewiring Australia that encourages households to move to a solar-powered electric home, including space heating, water heating, cooking, and electric vehicles. I personally experienced these benefits when I converted my home's water heater from gas to electric. We installed a heat pump hot water system and programmed it to run during daylight hours to use energy from the solar system. Our gas bills dropped dramatically, and the result was free hot water on sunny days and the reduction of our carbon footprint. Number 2, go wholesale. This hackathon has shown the benefits of being able to trade on the energy spot market. It's a way to earn money while helping the grid to be more green. The best way for households to access the wholesale market is to use Amber Energy. The combination of solar, battery, and Amber's wholesale pricing lets households actually earn money. In fact, here's my energy bills, and you'll notice that it's negative thanks to access to the wholesale market. Number 3, use a smart battery. As we've seen in this hackathon, using smart algorithms to control the battery can be a real money earner. Admittedly, the simulation didn't take into account the actual power consumption of the home, but it was a good start to see how you might be able to best control a battery. Team Hackla took 2 approaches to controlling our virtual smart battery. The first approach was some simple Python code that told the battery to buy low and sell high, but also to dump power in the mornings so the battery can be used to capture solar energy during the day. This simple model was within 15% of the best scores on the leaderboard. Our second approach was to create a machine learning model using the provided training data. However, this didn't score anywhere near as good. We think it could be improved by adding predictions for wind generation, which is a unique attribute of the South Australian energy market. Number 4, use smart devices. There's more to a house than simply using solar cells and batteries. There are additional devices in every house that can be controlled smartly to save power. In my case, I have a swimming pool that is the main consumer of my power. Swimming pools need a certain amount of filtration each day, but it turns out that this varies by season and even by the amount of sun each day. There's a formula that can be used to calculate the required amount of pool filtration based on the temperature and exposure to the sun. By looking at the temperature, weather patterns, and the price of electricity, it should be possible to smartly run the pump to minimize energy usage, or perhaps even decide to run the pump overnight when energy is cheaper. Similarly, air conditioners can be configured to run when there is excess solar electricity available. The Voltello Airflex is a device sold by Village Energy that can connect to Amber Electric and control the air conditioning based upon the current spot price of electricity. So you get air conditioning for free. Number 5, dumb humans. Yes, not everything in the household is smart. Some appliances are controlled by humans, such as dishwashers, clothes washers, and clothes dryers, and these can consume significant energy. The first smart thing to do is to train your humans to only run these devices when the sun is shining and there's excess solar energy. This way, the devices can even be run for free. But how do you inform the humans when this should be done? Well, there's code available that runs on a home automation system called Home Assistant. It can use Amber to monitor the spot price. If the spot price goes too high, it changes the color of a smart light. This is a simple way to signal to humans that they should reduce their voluntary energy consumption. So there you have it. The key elements to a low-cost, low-carbon footprint home are electrify everything and use solar. Go wholesale to take advantage of variable pricing. Hire some of today's hackathon entrants to make your battery smarter. Configure devices to be smarter about when they use energy. And configure your humans to be smarter too. The Hackla repo contains links and code for many of the systems I mentioned in this presentation. Thank you.